Today we are going to be productive princesses. This is what's on our list today.
I just got out of my workout class. I am literally such a fan of these.
I think I'm gonna go upstairs and do an everything shower. Happy Vlogmas day 6. I am exhausted. I don't even know how to start this. Today we are going to be productive princesses and we are gonna get some stuff done. I just worked 3 night shifts in a row and I'm exhausted, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do to reset, get back into being a productive queen. It is currently 1:30 in the afternoon because I did just get off a night shift, slept until like 12:30. So now it's time to be productive. So on the list today, I have a phone call with my accountant. I have to go work out, I have to clean, and I have to edit. Those are like basically my most important things that I have to do today. I also want to bake some Christmas cookies. I think that will be really fun. So that will be on the list. And then also, I heard that there's an elf advent calendar. I know I'm a little late to the game here, but I do want to see if it's in stores. So we might go shopping. I kind of want to go to Plato's Closet. It's kind of like a thrifting moment, but they have like better things because somebody picks through them. So this is what's on our list today. We're gonna be productive princesses today and actually get some stuff done. We'll start by making a chai latte and then we'll get to work and start cleaning. I'm probably gonna do an everything shower tonight as well, which you guys know. I love an everything shower. She's my girl. This is our to-do list. Let's start getting ready, but first, let's go make a chai. You have to give me a minute. I'm still trying to wake up. If you guys do not know already, I am doing the 12 days of Vlogmas here on YouTube, and then I am doing all 25 days of Vlogmas on TikTok. So go check out my TikTok, and if you want more content from me, go check out my Instagram. I actually haven't posted on Instagram in a while, so you know, do with what you will. But that's where you'll find all my cute little pictures on my Instagram. Let's get productive and get some stuff done. So let's go make some chai. Okay, bestie, I made myself a little chai. She's giving very mediocre, but it looks mediocre, okay? Usually I do the chai with a power core shake. So good, has protein. And then I also do a little sweet cream cold foam, you know? Make it all nice and cutesy, especially since I'm trying to save my money and not go to Starbucks so much. This is like a great alternative. But today I had no sweet cream cold foam and I also only had cow milk. It's okay though. I'm also not like against cow milk, but I actually grew up drinking almond milk. So don't come for me when I have to drink cow milk. I'm like, that's kind of weird, but not in a way where it's like trying to be, you know, the healthiest queen alive and not drink whole milk. Like, who cares? Now that we got our chai, I think I'm gonna do like a full beat. Like, I know that's kind of crazy, especially since I'm working out later, but I just want to feel like pretty. My hair is like so greasy, and yeah, I feel like if your hair looks terrible, your outfit looks terrible, your face has to look good, and like vice versa with all of them, you know? Oh my God, this is gonna be an editing nightmare for me because I just can't speak this morning. Wait, I feel like that's grammatically correct. My editing, good luck, baby. 1:45, I'm gonna go put some makeup on, maybe change into workout clothes so we're ready for tonight. Actually, should I eat something? I should probably eat something. I literally changed my mind, of course. I didn't eat anything, I wasn't that hungry. But look how cute this like little sweater is. Quite on set, girl. So I got this little crop sweater that I love because it's kind of giving like Christmassy with the like plaid bow. I wear it to my workout classes because I put a sports bra on underneath and she's so cutesy. But I did get it in a size like extra large because it looked really small on the rack and I should have tried it on. But now she's like ginormous. Like, she's so huge, and I wish I mean, I'm never, in no world am I an extra large, so I don't really know why I got it. I think it's because I wanted it to look oversized, but now it just looks too oversized. Let's start getting ready for the day. My hair is like literally a mess, but I'm going to work out, so like literally who cares? But I do want to do like a full beat. I feel like a full beat, but not a full beat, is using this Skin Tint by Kylie Jenner. I am not a skin tint girly. My skin just does not work that way. Like the girlies out here that are like, light makeup days, like no girl, like, but this actually makes my skin look great for like a light makeup day. So it it can't exist, okay? If you got big pores like me, baby, there is light at the end of the tunnel, girl. It does exist. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my makeup and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. And then we need to start cleaning and stuff. It is, oh my god, it's like 2 o'clock. I do wanna like clean before I jump on this call. We'll see. I'm also hoping this call isn't gonna be very long, but you know how it is. So let's quickly get our makeup done and start cleaning. You know what's kind of iconic though is that my boyfriend actually cleaned our bedroom like yesterday. It's not as bad as it usually is, and the bathroom, like I can literally quickly tidy this up, like super simple. So let's do our makeup. Also, I hate this lighting. Like, son, why? I'm also watching The Toast. I've been like obsessed with this podcast recently. My sister has put me on since like September, so I've been obsessed. But it kind of sucks because when I got into it, Jackie's now on mat leave and also they're taking Christmas vacation. So I'm gonna have to backtrack and watch all the old podcast episodes. I actually changed my mind. I think I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Lumi Glow Tint. I haven't used this since the summer and I just wanna see, I wanna remember what it feels like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try, start walking past my window. I do wanna just see what it looks like because I honestly don't remember, but I remember loving this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it for today and see if I can brighten up my skin, make it look a little bit more luminous. Okay, really weird that my camera cut out at that time. I was trying to show you guys that my makeup started like pilling. Once I put on the bronzer, it was like pilling right here. And I'm assuming it's the foundation because I use that contour all the time and it never happened. So don't know what happened there, but I just added some blush. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I was truly gonna wear some of these Ardell lashes. They're my favorite, but I feel like they're okay with just the lash. My camera keeps coming in and out, so I'm sorry that I already have a full B and you probably didn't see it all. Also, look at this lippy. I love it so much. This is the Too Faced Pillow Balm Lip Treatment in the shade Berry Jam Kiss. I highly recommend. I feel like she's so underrated. Like, not a lot of people are talking about this, but she's that girl. Now that my full B is done, see, my hair even looks better because my makeup is all done. So now that we're all done, we are going to quickly clean up, like 10-second tidies. So cue the cleaning montage. Okay, so I just finished cleaning the bathroom and my bedroom and I feel so good, so productive, so clean. So now I'm just gonna wait for my call that's in 20 minutes. We're doing so good. I'm so productive. I'm so happy. Also, I kind of told myself that if I was being productive, we'd go shopping later. So I'm excited for that. After we work out and go grocery shopping, all that stuff too. I'm gonna wait for my call and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, I feel like my meeting went really well. I didn't ask that many questions because I'm still new to the whole like having your own business type vibe. So I'm sure I'll have more questions in the future. Where's my ring light? Look at that, the power of a good lighting. So I'm just gonna relax and then actually I need to put in a load of laundry. I'm gonna start my laundry and then we're gonna head to my workout class. I kind of want to film in there, but I know I'm not allowed. There's actually a sign that says no cell phones to go in, but I have done it in the past. So maybe I can sneakily do it, but we'll see. It's literally so cold. I just got out of my workout class and I'm gonna go to the grocery store and pick up some things and look around. Maybe I'll have a Caesar salad for supper. I'm so excited. I am literally such a fan of these, and I think I might get these, but I love these ones too, so I might get both. Wait, what's this one? Oh, that one's new. Okay, no, I'm gonna go with the 3 grams of sugar. You guys, I feel so bad. This vlog probably sucks. I just got home, and actually no, I didn't just get home. I got home and I ate my salad and I did some stuff, but I'm so exhausted. But we're gonna go upstairs and do an everything shower. I'm so sorry that this vlog has been kind of trash. Like honestly, like I feel like, are we even gonna have a Vlogmas day 6? I don't know, because I didn't even go shopping and I wanted to take you guys shopping, and I think I'm gonna go upstairs and do an everything shower, and then when we get out, I'll tell you guys all the products I used for my everything shower. Maybe you guys are interested. I feel like I do a lot of repetitive products, but they're my go-tos. Also, I lost another nail. Like I lost this one, and I also lost this one. Thank God that tomorrow I'm getting my nails done. I think we're gonna go with a red. Like you can see, this one's more of a green. Let's jump into the shower, and then do we have any? Maybe we'll have like a nice little Christmassy night. We'll have some snacks, watch a Christmas movie, and also do my Christmas puzzle because I do want to finish that. But let's jump into the shower and get that over with. I'm so excited. I need some self-care. After working 3 night shifts, you need that self-care moment. So we're gonna go do an everything shower, and I'm literally gonna scrub everything. Okay, you guys, I just got out of the shower. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a little bit of a naked mole rat. I feel like I need something on my lips. Hold on. I have no idea where all of my lip masks went, so I'm just gonna put this one on. It's by Laneige. It's literally so good. So good, so plumpy and juicy. Anyways, yeah, I feel like a naked mole rat, but here we are. I just got out of the shower and I did like an everything shower. I forgot that I'm going to get my hair done tomorrow, so I actually didn't even wash my hair. I just put it in 2 braids to sleep in because she's hella greasy. But then I did all of my skincare, my body care. I used the scrubby and I love it. Like my skin feels so hydrated, and like I got out of the shower and I was so smooth and I love it. I was actually going to put on this cream. This is the vanilla and nutmeg. I literally almost hit myself in the face, but this is the vanilla and nutmeg 24-hour moisture ultimate hydration body cream, and it's by Bath and Body Works. Literally so good. I feel like I'm hydrated enough, and I actually just don't want to put lotion on right now. So I jumped into my nice pajamas that I got at Aerie. They're so cutesy and Christmassy. I literally am obsessed. But I did an everything shower, did a scrub my face. I feel like I'm gonna ask my mom if she could tint my brows and my lashes because I'm looking insane right now. Anyways, I'm so sorry that this vlog is probably so boring. I feel like I just did a lot of boring things today. I wish I could vlog a little bit more, but I'm off to bed. I'm exhausted, girl. After 3 nights of working, I feel like I'm back to my normal schedule, thank God. I do purposely try to wake up around 12:30 like PM so that I'm able to get back on track at night. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. But yeah, I'm literally so exhausted. I'm probably gonna get into bed, read a book, and go to sleep. So I'm so sorry that this vlog is literally so boring. Like I'm trying to think, what can I tell you to make it not boring? Okay, I love you. I will do better in Vlogmas day 7. And so if this is your first time seeing me, I am so sorry. Like stay for Vlogmas, okay? Because today was kind of a fluke. If you guys are new to my channel, I am doing the 12 days of Vlogmas here on YouTube, and then I'm doing the 25 days of Vlogmas on TikTok. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram to get more content from me. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I promise Vlogmas day 7 will be better, okay? I love you, and I'll see you guys in Vlogmas day 7.